Hi everyone, welcome to Program Third channel. Today I am going to explain CSV file read. Input CSV with open, make it one file name .csv, open the read mode as a file read equal to csv dot read, just pause the file. Then make a for loop for a row in reader, print rows. I am going to run the code. That's showing that output. Make a student roll number, name and father name. These are the columns are showing that. I'm using NetBean IDE. That IDE repository included .csv. Make it the one empty file. No need to path complexity issues. So just to see that output. For further update, just subscribe Program Thought channel. Thank you for watching.